Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Mrs. Ati, as the academic supervisor, and dear Mr. Hari Lutfi, as the examiner lecturer, first introduce myself. My name is Siva Milenia Murniati. Here I will present the result of my final project entitled Analysis of Factor Affecting Consumer in the Purchase Decision of IndiHome Add-on Product at PT Telkom Retail Bandung 2021. First of all, I will explain about the history of the company. Telkom Indonesia is state-owned enterprise which is engaged in information and communication technologies, service telecommunication network in Indonesia. Telkom Group's business activity grow and change along with development technology, information, and digitalization. That is digital connectivity, digital platform, and digital service. And next, problem backgrounds of research. In today's era of digital transformation, telecommunication play a very important and strategic role in human life. And Central Statistic Agency in the last 5 years, in 2015, this percentage of the population aged 5 years and over who had access the internet in the last 3 months was around 21% and increased to 43% in 2019. And according to the general chairman of ATSI, predict that revenue from internet or data service will be the biggest contributor to the industry this year. The number of internet user in Indonesia until the second quarter of 2020 reached 73%. And according to the general chairperson of the Indonesia Internet Service Provider Association, or APJI, this increase was due to digital transformation used by the COVID-19 pandemic. Marketing Management Telkom Indonesia, Kurniawan said, during this pandemic period, his part recorded an increase in usage of up to 120%. To complement in this service IndiHome or Telkom Indonesia, IndiHome offers a variety of additional service, or so-called is add-on products. IndiHome, especially IndiHome Retail Bandung branch, needs to increase sales of its additional service products. Increased product sales are closely related to the decision of consumer or customer. Consumer have several rules in economic activities, including consumer as user of goods and service provided by the company. Because there are several factors that affect customer, whether it is influenced by the product, price, place, or promotion. Knowing if customer purchase decision from before making a purchase, it will describe the purchase decision made by each customer. And next, research purpose. The first, to find out what factor influence consumer in purchasing IndiHome add-on products. And second, to find out the most dominant and the smallest factors that influence consumer in purchasing IndiHome add-on product. And next, the main concept from the research is marketing management, marketing mix, and purchase decision. Marketing management as the art and science of choosing target markets and getting, keeping, and growing customers through creating, delivering, and communicating superior customer value. And marketing mix is a set of marketing tools, product, price, place, and promotion. And the purchase decision are a series of customers' activities before buying to customer behavior after purchasing the product. And next, this is a framework from my research. This is a marketing mix of product, price, place, promotion to purchase decision. And next, research method. This is study using quantitative methods, with the object being the respondent is an IndiHome customer of PT Telkom Retail Bandung, and the population of this is studies are individuals who use IndiHome add-on products, and data collection method using interviews, questionnaires, and observation, and data processing technique using validity test, reliability test, descriptive analysis, and factor analysis. And next, result and discussion. Analysis of the characteristic of respondent. We can see gender of the respondent, dominant of female, 60%, and male 40%, and dominated by respondents who have entrepreneur job, and the rest have job including student, BUMN employee, private employee, and the civil servant. Respondents are dominated by those who have the last undergraduate, as much as 55%, and also dominated by respondents who have an income of 2 until 5 million, such as 62%. And next, I use SPSS 28 for Windows for data analysis technique, and analyze the validity and reliability of questionnaire data, of all of which were valid and reliable. In descriptive analysis, all indicators or variables show a continuum line in the goods category. And next, the results of research. I use principal component analysis for the factor analysis. And based on the research of factor analysis, in the KMO and Bartlett test data processing, the KMO value was greater than 0.5, which is 0.845 with a significant value of less than 0.001. From the measurement of sampling adequacy, a value of greater than 0.5. And next, after getting the MSA value, the research perform factor extraction using principal component analysis. Based on the extraction results, variables have a significant contribution to the form factors. In addition, the extraction results produce 5 new components. Then the research did factor rotation because several factors, the variables were below the smallest value that had been set. So that the correlation between the original factor and the factor formed in the component matrix could not be interpreted. After the rotation, the new components are named stability in a product, features, place setting, advertising, and affordability. The naming of the companies is based on the highest loading factor for each component. And next, principal component analysis. The following is an explanation about new component. The first is stability in a product. The stability factor in a product has a loading factor of 71%, consists of 6 manifest variables, namely in a product, price to quality, providing recommendation to others, making repeat purchase, price to benefit, habits in buying a product, and quality. And the second is features. The features factor, which has a loading factor of 81%, consists of 5 manifest variables, namely is features, packaging, brand, variation, and design. And the third is place setting. The place setting factor, which has a loading factor of 76%, consists of 4 manifest variables, namely the settings of the place, the atmosphere of the location, the location, and personal selling. And the fourth is advertising factor, which has a loading factor of 79%, consists of 3 manifest variables, namely advertising, social media marketing, and direct marketing. And the last, affordability. Affordability factor, which has a factor loading of 69%, consists of 2 manifest variables, namely is affordability and price competitive. And furthermore, based on the results of the study, it shows that there is one factor, the highest loading factor, and one that has the lowest loading factor. This factor of features with a loading factor of 81%. And design factor of 51%. And the conclusion of the research is the first, new component can influence consumer making purchasing decision in the home add-on product. Based on the extraction results, introduce 5 new components can influence consumer in making purchasing decisions for IndiHome add-on products. The new components are based on the highest loading factor, and name is stability in a product consisting of 6 manifest variables, and feature with 5 manifest variables, place setting consisting of 4 manifest variables, advertising consisting of 3 manifest variables, affordability consisting of 2 manifest variables. And the second, the dominant factor and the smallest factor that influence consumer in purchasing decision in the home add-on product. There is one factor that has the highest loading factor, which can be seen in the rotated component matrix, which means that it's become the dominant factor that influence consumer in purchasing decision for IndiHome add-on products is a feature factor. And while there is one factor that has a lowest factor loading, which means that is the smallest factor that influence consumer in purchasing decision for IndiHome add-on products, namely the design. It can be said the IndiHome add-on product has practical design, but not all respondents agree that the IndiHome add-on product has a practical design, so that is easy to use and understand. And next, the suggestion from the research. The first for suggestion for companies. I have 3 suggestions for companies. The first is the company can increase the new component that has been factor extraction and has the lowest factor loading of the 5 new components. And namely the affordability, which has a factor loading of 69% and consists of 2 manifest variables. This can be done by making price adjustment in order have competitive price competitiveness compared to the competitors. This adjustment can be done by giving a discount or bundling in each additional product. And the second is suggestion from author to the company to able to maintain and even improve the unique features of add-on product and add-on product over to customer, so that they become differentiation product from competitor. And the third is suggestion from author to company to continue to improve the design of practical add-on products so that they are easy to use and understand by customer. For example, by using the tools in the product, just by looking at the simple image icon, a consumer will easily understand the purpose of using the tools. And the last suggestion for further research, I have 2 suggestions for further research. The first is hope that further research will use different references for these studies and increase the theoretical basis, especially regarding factor analysis, which the author feels in their study do not have many references.
This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.